so I dismantled only some of the parts since I couldn't remember how to put all the pieces together. And I remember how to put these pieces. And here's the instruction manual, but I don't need that, so I'll just keep it to the side. And so for the first step, you take these two, which are the feet, and then you put these long red piece here, and then connect it to the other part. Okay, so then we're gonna keep this aside. So next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this huge long piece and then connect it to this bottom part here. Okay, that's good. And then I'm gonna take this long yellow piece and attach it to the end of this. It already looks like a helicopter. Oh, whoops. Should have broken off. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I am going to take this and put that here, so it looks like it. So for the feet, then I'm gonna finally put this right over here. Whoops, this fell off again. Let me put this back. I'm gonna put this part on here. And then I'm gonna finally put the blades on. And then there you go. You have a lighting up helicopter. Thank you for watching my video. If you want, you can subscribe at the bottom. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.